Are you searching for projects that could make you rich? Recently, I shared a post on my Telegram channel about an anonymous trader who invested $3,000 and turned it into over 70 million on the Pepe meme coin. Yes, just a meme coin. Now imagine the potential growth a fundamental project could have, one that's just getting started but could explode in the next few years and revolutionize the crypto ecosystem. These types of projects are out there and I have already found some for you. They are early stage investments that you can dive into right now. On my Telegram channel I provide entry points for the most promising coins, share results and statistics and discuss the most profitable crypto scalping strategies and top long-term investment tactics. All of this is absolutely free. By subscribing you lose nothing, but I gain motivation to keep delivering high quality content just for you. What is the RWA sector? The real-world asset sector is about bringing tangible real-world assets like real estate, commodities, bonds and even stocks onto the blockchain, creating an unprecedented level of liquidity, transparency and accessibility. By tokenizing real-world assets, we bridge the gap between traditional finance and the decentralized world. This sector is set to explode and major institutions are already diving in. BlackRock recently shared their expectations for the tokenization of real-world assets on the blockchain, predicting a massive 13 trillion market capitalization by 2027. To put that into perspective, that's 5 times the current crypto market capitalization. Top global financial institutions like UBS, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan and Franklin Templeton, which manage trillions of dollars collectively, are all eyeing RWA tokenization. So which projects stand to gain from this booming narrative? Let's dive into the top coins that could benefit from this trend and make you rich by 2025. First, Ethereum. Ethereum is arguably the most critical and reliable blockchain for real-world asset tokenization. Already widely used, Ethereum's entire ecosystem is likely to ride the wave of this trend. As institutional demand for tokenized assets grows, so will the demand for Ethereum. It remains the most battle-tested, decentralized and scalable smart contract platform, making it fundamental to the RWA narrative. With future upgrades and the continuous expansion of Layer 2 solutions, Ethereum's value could skyrocket as more projects use its infrastructure for tokenization. By the way, I recently published a setup for entry in my Telegram channel. Here I showed the best entry zones for purchase. I personally show how I invest as well. So join us to invest together and increase our capital. Especially after BlackRock started using its platform for tokenization. Recently listed on Coinbase, Ondo has shown incredible potential, already providing a 5x return for early investors. Ondo aims to connect traditional finance with decentralized finance by offering tokenized treasury bonds and other assets that bring real-world value to the blockchain. It's becoming a go-to project for institutional investors looking to tokenize their assets, and its unique position makes it one of the most exciting projects to watch. With backing from BlackRock and top-tier partnerships, this is one project you should keep on your radar. For a more detailed review, check out the post I made on my Telegram channel. While ChainLink may not be an RWA project directly, it's absolutely essential for building the infrastructure needed for tokenizing real-world assets. ChainLink is the most robust Oracle network, providing secure and reliable data feeds that connect blockchains with real-world data. ChainLink tokenized assets would lack the crucial connection to off-chain data sources, making them less effective and trustworthy. ChainLink's collaboration with Swift and its involvement in the RWA narrative position represents it as a fundamental project for this space. In addition, you should keep an eye on other Oracle projects like TRB or PIF, which are also contributing to the RWA infrastructure. AAVE is a dominant player in decentralized finance, and it has plans to dive deep into the RWA space. According to its new roadmap, AAVE is setting a clear path towards real-world asset integration by 2030, This move is highly attractive to institutional investors, and AAVE's platform will likely become a cornerstone of tokenized real-world assets in DeFi space. With Grayscale launching an investment fund focused on AAVE, we can expect increased interest and significant growth for the project. AAVE's strong position in the decentralized finance market combined with RWA ambitions make it a must-watch in the coming years. CFG is a key player in the Polkadot ecosystem and one of the leading projects in RWA narrative. Despite raising a modest $50 million, CFG has already attracted an additional $15 million from top venture funds, showing growing interest in its platform. Centrifuge ranks among the top 10 projects globally for real-world asset tokenization, and it holds 8th place in bond tokenization, especially with a very high total value locked. With 90% of its tokens circulating, CFG is primed for accumulation, and its position as the leading RWA project within Polkadot makes it a serious contender for future growth. So if you want to stay updated on entry points for these top projects, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. I provide regular updates, share my strategies, and offer free educational content to help you make informed investment decisions. By subscribing, you will gain access to in-depth analysis, live results, and strategies that can maximize your profits. To conclude, the RWA sector is poised to revolutionize the crypto landscape, and the potential for massive gains is clear. From Ethereum's robust blockchain to groundbreaking projects like Ondo Finance and CFG, these investments have the potential to redefine how we think about tokenization and real-world assets. By 2025, the market could see an explosion in value, and those who get in early could see life-changing profits. Remember, these are not just short-term pumps. The RWA narrative is backed by institutions making trillions of dollars. The shift towards tokenizing real-world assets is inevitable, and the time to invest is now. Don't miss out on the opportunity to position yourself at the forefront of this massive trend. So with these insights, you now have a roadmap to the top RWA projects that could make you rich by 2025. Be sure to stay connected, join my Telegram channel for updates, and take the first steps towards securing your financial future in the crypto world.